Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare Rotti Halwa, a Sourashtra special sweet recipe. This is very quick to prepare and no Sourashtra special occasion is complete without the sweet. This is very unique tasting and if you haven't prepared this already, then this is definitely a must-try recipe. To prepare this, you need milk rusk. Break them into small pieces and make a fine powder using a blender. I used 12 rusk pieces to get 1 cup of rusk powder. You also need 1 cup sugar, 2 cups milk or water, half cup ghee, few cashew nuts, few raisins, and half teaspoon cardamom powder. Reduce this quantity if the milk rusk is cardamom flavored. Take a wide pan, heat some ghee, add cashew nuts and fry until well roasted. Next, fry raisins. Add more ghee and add powdered rusk. Fry in medium flame, mixing constantly for 3 to 5 minutes until rusk powder changes color and becomes aromatic. Take them out. Add sugar along with the rusk powder. Mix them together. Mixing rusk and sugar before adding to milk gives a nice texture to halwa. In the same pan, add milk. Mix constantly so that they don't stick to bottom of pan. Allow to boil. Next, add rusk and sugar mixture. Mix them quickly without any lumps. Now add half quantity of ghee. Mix constantly and cook in medium flame for 10 minutes. The halwa is now thickened and cooked well. Now add half quantity of remaining ghee and cook mixing constantly for 5 more minutes. The halwa has thickened well. Now add the rest of the ghee and cardamom powder. Mix well. The halwa now comes together leaving sides of pan. Add half of cashews and raisins. Combine well. Roti halwa is now ready. Scoop them out into serving cup. Garnish with more cashews and raisins. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.